God bless you. Elijah Bamidele Lokolo is my name. I want to wish you all Happy New Year, wherever you are all over the world. This is a revelation to the Igbo people. I am not going to force you to believe me. I am not going to force you to accept this revelation. Anywhere you are, all over the world. The Lord said I shall announce to all the Igbos, wherever you are in Nigeria, any state, any village you are, God said I should tell all of you to return back home. I saw an earthquake. I saw a dangerous earthquake. And the Lord said, tell all the Igbos to return back to their land. To return back to their land. Why? Because I saw nations, countries all over the world, fighting to enter Igbo land. I did not know what happened. There is a treasure that is about to be discovered in Igbo land. There is a treasure, a milk like honey that is about to be discovered in Igbo land that will attract presidents from different parts of the world. The Lord said to me that the Igbos are going to be one of the richest nations in the world. Those of you who are saying that Biafra will never call, I'm sorry to announce to you that Biafra has already called. I am not an Igbo man. This is a revelation. I saw it very clear. Every Igbo person, anywhere you are, return back to your land. A treasure is about to be discovered. A treasure is about to be discovered. A treasure that will attract international community is about to be discovered in Igbo land. Mr. President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Lord said you should do what you are already planning to do by releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because I saw him coming out and I saw this treasure attracting nations of the earth all over the world. And God said that I should tell Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. Else, you will be forced. You will be forced to release him. And to all the people who are fighting against the release of Biafra, I am here to announce to you that Biafra nation has already come. I am just a prophet. I see, I tell you. You believe, you don't believe, you don't concern me. My own is to tell you what I saw. Igbo nation is going to be one of the richest nations in the world. And it's going to happen starting from this year. This is what God said I should tell all the Igbo people. I am not a Biafra man. I'm a Nigerian. I'm from Edo State. Auchi, Eyerehu, Sati, that is where I came from. I am not an Igbo man. I am only speaking as a prophet. I am only speaking as a prophet. Anywhere you are over the world, Igbo people, I say congratulations to you because very soon nations are coming to that land to seek for help. I don't know what this means. This is what I saw in my revelation. May the Lord bless you and God bless the Igbo nation in Jesus' name.
You see that video that you watch? Thunder will fire any Igbo man who believes this lie. This is not how I'm supposed to start the new year, by insulting people. But you see, any woman who believes this lie, thunder from Amadioha will fire you. If you like maybe my father, if you like maybe my sister, wait see this video and believe it. Thunder, Amadioha ga mabugi, obi ga pochigi. This year mandere go fuma. Yes, now, because when I saw this video, I have seen that it has gotten up to 6,000 likes. Many comments, up to 100,000 views. And on the Igbo, they are insulting all of us. Like say we not get sense again. Anybody who believe all these liars call themselves pastor, thunder will, in fact, this year, Okuga Washe Digi. In a business, a man go man, you will never be well with all of you. In the 21st century, other tribes are using people to be playing kalo. Maybe the year don't start. Adeboye told you say God will make the year better. And Mbaka day they told me say God will make hunger day. Who God they speak to? They are around to everywhere. And in Igbo, emotional people, you'll be running up and down. This one is not claiming that God told him. God not tell us in American since when they talk Or we that have been telling people that you should go back home and invest. since 2023 I've been online making video that Igbo should go back home and invest. God no tell us. Now him God they talk to. Anybody who believe this in me they talk am. I am the deputy Jesus, Professor Black and White, perpendicular by sector. Anybody, if you like maybe my king, will believe this lie. Thunder will fire you. Amadi hoga amaji guku. Amaduru no ma. All these bastards will be using Igbo to be playing kalo, and all of them will be falling victim of it, believing lies. Because they are seeing what is happening in America. Because they are seeing the way America kidnapped the president of Venezuela. Because they are seeing the way Donald Trump throw bomb. They are not playing what they call conspiracy theory on top of Igbo. Be claiming, I'm seeing Biafra coming. God is telling me something. So why God don't go tell me he discover for Yoruba land or for Benin land? Why must people go discover those things? Why not discover for a place? Why must God show you something about Igbo? Why you not show it for your place? You know they like good thing? I'm seriously angry this morning. Last year, December, just within 1 week, 3 shops, 3 mega markets were burned because Igbo people has up to 70% of the shops there. Yoruba people are setting it on fire. God not show you that one. God did not show you all the shops where they set on fire. Make we call you the test fire they burn for December. Don't be the same people they put them.
Coming from this story, some say that the Lagos state government is only after Igbo landlords and began trending an old video of Pastor Tunde Bakari where he talked about conspiracy against Igbos.
I was at a meeting a few days back last week and they said, the Igbos! We must find a way of checkmating them. I sat there in the midst of them. And the man said, you are not even saying anything. I said, what is the offense? He said, they are bought everywhere in Lagos. They are buying and buying. And I said, when they came with gun and shot your people, or your people collected money for the purchase. Baba looked at me and said, why are you like this? I said, I'm like that. Did your people sell to them? Who asked you to sell your land? That was the end of the meeting.
Why God not show you those ones? Ndiara, which God is serving Nigeria? All of them claim say God there everywhere. They run away from Fulani men. Even those where they claim say I get Odeshi, they run away from Fulani men. Ndiara everywhere. Odeshi there, but if you see Fulani, you go wrong, don't enter your house. Where the power come there? Any Igbo man, na me they talk am. Any Igbo man will believe this lie. Thunder will kill you. Amadio will kill you. Amaduru nudamma. Ndo ucho. Any man who believe this nonsense is a fool. Ibu mumu ibi beri igeri. Matter of here, John.